In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a red rose out of an empty Coke can. Start by using a knife and a pair of scissors to cut the top and bottom off your Coke can and turn it into a flat sheet of tin. Be very careful not to cut yourself. You might want to wear some safety gloves. Next, we're going to take the curl out of the tin by running it back and forth over the edge of the table until it's flat, like this. Then, using a marker pen, we're going to draw out the petals in a spiral pattern. It doesn't have to be exact and it should look something like this. Next, we're going to use our scissors to cut out the template. We should end up with a pattern like this. Next, we need to carefully start curling each petal in, one at a time from the center of the spiral. You might need to fold the tin slightly to get the next petal in line. The further around the spiral you get, the more rose-like it should look. Keep going until you get to the last petal. Fold and curl it into place. Then, using your scissors, make a small snip at the bottom and tuck it behind one of the other petals to stop it from all unrolling. Bend the petals over a little to open up the rose. And there we have it, our finished flower. Next, we're going to cut the stem out of the offcut of our Coke can, or you can use a new can if you prefer. It should look like this. Then, using a hard edge like a metal ruler, fold the stem all the way along to make it rigid. You might want to use a pair of pliers to do this. It should look like this. Next, bend over the top and push the flower onto the stem. And there we have it, our finished Coca Cola can rose. Try experimenting with different drinks cans for different colored roses. To watch the video showing you how to make the light bulb vase also features